Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churros dipping sauces. We'll start with a classic chocolate sauce, a fundamental recipe that's incredibly versatile. You'll need just a few simple ingredients, primarily good quality chocolate and heavy cream. The key is to melt the chocolate slowly and combine it carefully with the warm cream, creating a smooth, luxurious base perfect for your crispy churros. Once you have your basic chocolate sauce, the possibilities for customization are endless. For a sophisticated twist, try adding a small pinch of flaky sea salt. It truly elevates the flavor. If you prefer a warmer profile, a dash of cinnamon or even a tiny amount of chili powder can add an exciting kick. And for an even richer chocolate experience, stir in about 1 tablespoon of espresso powder. Next, let's explore a luscious homemade caramel sauce, another fantastic companion for churros. Begin by gently melting 1 cup of granulated sugar until it transforms into a beautiful amber liquid. Then, carefully whisk in warm, heavy cream and 4 tablespoons of butter. Finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. This creates a wonderfully rich and buttery sauce that's simply irresistible. Beyond chocolate and caramel, there are many other delightful dipping sauce ideas to explore. A ready-made dulce de leche offers a quick, sweet option, or you could even whip up a fresh fruit compote for a lighter, brighter flavor. Remember to serve your sauces warm in small, individual ramekins. A final touch, like a sprinkle of chopped nuts or a dusting of cocoa powder, makes them even more inviting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.